Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make PDF file on your Android phone. So let's begin our video. First of all, you just need to open Google Drive app on your Android phone. Here you can see this is my Google Drive app. So if you don't find this app on your mobile phone, you should install it from Play Store. So after install, just simply open it, and right now there have a plus icon, select it, and right now you can find some several options. There have two options you can select: scan and upload. If you select upload, you can take a picture from your phone gallery and you can make it to your PDF file. Otherwise you can scan it. So I simply select scan. So right now you just need to take a piece of paper to scan it. So right now here you can see I take a piece of paper and I am just going to scan this. So here you can see this paper already scanned to my phone. So after scan, there have a arrow icon you can see. You just select it and then select next, and then you should select PDF. Here you can see PDF selected and then upload it. So right now here you can see this file already uploaded, and if you just want to save this file to your phone memory, just select three dot and select download. So right now this file already downloaded to your phone memory. So in this way you can very easily make PDF file on your Android phone. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.